Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you my favorite salad. This salad has just a few ingredients but it's delicious. It's tomato, cucumber and avocado salad. So let's get started. The secret of this salad are the ingredients. I have chosen the organic tomatoes and cucumber, and this gives an amazing taste to this salad. So for the tomato, avocado and cucumber salad we will need 2 tomatoes, large tomatoes, 1 large avocado, 1 red onion, 1 English cucumber, some of the sweet corn, lime for dressing, parsley for decoration, and as well salt and pepper and olive oil as a dressing. So let's get started. So first I'm just going to cut my onion, and I'm using like slices of onion, quite big, because I like it in the salad just like big chunks. We will need a large mixing bowl for this. Now peel the skin of the cucumber and just make it in slices. So now the tomatoes, just slice them in half, remove the center, cut them once more in half, and just make them slices, about ½ centimeter or 1 centimeter thick. Chop the parsley, just roughly chopped. Now add about 100 grams of sweet corn. So this was the recipe of my favorite salad. I love it because it's fresh, it's delicious as well from the organic ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new interesting and healthy recipe. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.